what is the mass percent of sodium in sodium chloride? Now, we did not do such a problem in class, but here's how to do it now. Sodium chloride is this. Sodium has mass 22.989770. 22.989770. That's grams per mole. And chlorine has mass 35.4527. So that's 35.4527 grams per mole. Okay? So you will add those two numbers up, right? You'll add those two numbers up, and you will get something like something like 58.4425. 58.4425. You think it's 44247, don't you? But it's not, because you have no idea if this really means 45269 or 45274 or 45265. You just have no idea. So that means you can only let your answer be having 4 decimal places, such as this answer. You cannot let it have more, such as this answer. Remember, in addition and subtraction, your answer can only have the number of decimal places as the number of decimal places that is lowest in both of the numbers that are getting added or subtracted. Okay, anyways, that is the mass in grams per mole of this formula, NaCl. Now they're asking for the mass percent of just the sodium there. So the sodium was 22.989770. So that means for the mass percent, I'm interested in the 22.989770 over the total mass, 58.4425. This was grams per mole for sodium, and this is grams per mole for NaCl. The grams per mole cancel, and so you're going to get a number. It's going to be point something. So you're going to multiply that number by 100. 100 with the percent sign on it. And that's going to give you a percentage. Here, let me show you. 22.989770 divided by 58.4425. See, that's going to be 39%, because when I multiply that by 100%, I get 39 point something. So this is 39 point. How many significant figures am I allowed to use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to use the lowest. So this is 39.3374%. Now, this is 39.3374% sodium in sodium chloride. Notice the grams per moles canceled, but these did not cancel. Okay? Let me review that technique. They're asking about mass percent of sodium in sodium chloride. So what you do is you get the mass of sodium chloride. It's the total mass. Found it right here, 58 something. And you're going to divide the mass of just the sodium, just this, over the mass of the whole thing. Okay? They're asking for the mass percent of sodium in sodium chloride. So you take the mass of sodium divided by the mass of the sodium chloride, which is this. Here it is. The mass of the sodium divided by the mass of the sodium chloride. Multiply that by 100% to get your percent. Watch the significant figures. That's it. Thank you.